Good morning, everyone. It's me, Danielle, your Pampered Chef consultant. We are on day 3 of me posting a video every single day for 2 weeks. So this morning, we're making pancakes again, because who doesn't love pancakes? But I want to show you a different way to make them. Again, so easy. So, Pampered Chef just came out with this new product. Whoa! Trying not to break it. This is called the batter press. It is unbelievably amazing. I could do like 10 different videos on just this. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily mix waffle mix, you can mix pancake mix in this, again with no mess, just like I showed you with the pancake shaker bottle. So say you are really short on time and you want to use your pre-made pancake mix. So you're going to mix it all in here, and then it's going to tell you the perfect amount to put on your pan. Lots of times I make them too big, I make them too small. This has settings so that it will tell you exactly what size. So I'm gonna put mine on the middle one. I feel like that makes really good pancakes. I'm gonna do a video maybe tomorrow or the next day on how you can make cakes or muffins or everything in just this one bottle. Okay, so let's get started. Super, super easy. So you wanna make sure this is part of it. You wanna put this on first because the batter comes out of here and you don't want it to be spilling all over your counter. So Pampered Chef has really thought of everything here to keep your kitchen clean and to make this super easy. So I'm just using my pre-made pancake mix, and I'm just gonna put in 1 cup. Look how cute these are too. These are the Pampered Chef kids line, but I bought them for me because I think the colors are really fun. Okay, so I'm just putting it right in here. And then this pancake mix, it only needs water. So really it makes it so easy. So I'm going to put in my water. Okay, we're ready to mix, just like that. All right, so this is how you do it. You're gonna stick it in and you twist. All this does is just locks the lid into place, and you just use the plunger to plunge. So it's all mixed up, ready to go. So now what we're gonna do so that we're ready to put them on the pan is it's mixed to the consistency that I want, and now you just have to stick this on, because this is what's gonna press the pancakes out. So look how easy it was to stick it on. So now I'm gonna do that. And click it. Okay, I wanna show you how easy this is. So again, we put it on the middle setting, and then when you're ready to pour your pancakes, you're just gonna take this off. Look how easy. And it stops when it gets to your desired pancake. Okay, and then so that you don't make a mess, you just stick it right back in here while you wait. Okay, so that is the batter press using pre-made pancake mix. You can use whatever pancake mix you want. You can make your own, like I showed you yesterday, or you can just use pancake mix from a box. You can do waffle mix. So that makes it so easy. Check out the fluffiness of those pancakes. I love the way it dispenses. I think you noticed how it like makes it creamy when it comes out, and I feel like that makes the pancakes that much fluffier. So it's like you really are eating out at your favorite breakfast restaurant. So if you would like to order the batter press, then just order from my direct link below. And remember, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because tomorrow I will be showing you how you can make brownies from a box using this and only this. And I want you to notice how easy it is to clean up. You're just gonna take 1 swipe of the rag, that's all you use, no mess. I don't know about you, but when I used to make pancakes, it was like bowls and batter everywhere. So you definitely need this in your kitchen.